So guys, mag-vlog to for today's is get ready with me for today. So syempre, anong gagawin? Hindi mag-start. Let's go! So guys, ito na lang yung lahat. So let's go. So mapahid na natin sa ating lang. Okay na to. Let's go daw. So mag-sunscreen na tayo. Yan. So yun yung mukha ko guys, parang aswang. So let's go. Do blind the button.
Two men paving the road. I'm going to ride my scooter over it and mess it all up. Wow, that was fun. Look, they're fixing the road again. I'll ruin it again with my scooter. Oh my god, I sank into the asphalt. Look, there are two men paving the road. I'm going to ride my...
You know, Gigi. Polvo lang tayo kasi walang... So guys, hindi siya talaga makita guys. Okay, normal lang yung pagka-make up ko for today. Oh, kita nyo yan? So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Cheese. Let's start na guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye pa. So mana dito sa tanan guys. Lipstick na na-try. Bye now. Ito talaga yung na-make up guys. Kita nyo yan dito. Yan. Yan yung mga ginamit. Yan guys. So, wait lang. Ako muna. So, pariudan nyo lang kami guys. Let's go. Yan. Yan oh. So, yun lang dyan guys. Bye-bye!